Hey guys, this is the all-new and also the first Jaguar luxury performance SUV, the all-new 2017 Jaguar F-PACE in Glacier White. The F-PACE brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency. The F-PACE really has the performance for everyday road and the capacity for everyday use. Visually inspired by the F-Type, the new Jaguar F-PACE is a performance SUV that has the DNA of a sports car. From the hood bulge to the pronounced rear haunches, its powerful look make it distinctive and give it a head-turning road presence. F-PACE reinvents the energy, strength, and purity of form of the F-Type. Engines include the 380 horsepower 3-liter supercharged V6 available on the F-PACE S, or a 2-liter turbocharged diesel from the all-new Ingenium range. The specific model here we have today features the 3-liter V6 supercharged engine that pushes out an impressive 340 horsepower. When it comes to the interior, the F-PACE is practical in terms of everyday use for a family and plenty of space.
So here's the key fob to the car. On there we have the lock, unlock, trunk release, and the panic button in red. Also have the lighting control, Jaguar lettering on the side. Now let's go ahead and unlock the car, start up, and let you listen to the exhaust. As you can see there, the side view mirror automatically unfolds immediately after you pass unlock. You can also leave the key in your pocket or purse, and to unlock, use the keyless function. Simply put your hand behind the handle to unlock, and to lock, simply touch on the outer side right there. To start the engine, push your foot down the brake and press the start button located right here. Now let's go ahead and pop open the hood and see what the new F-PACE have to offer.
Under the hood, this specific 2017 Jaguar F-PACE again features the 3-liter V6 supercharged engine. The V6 supercharged engine gives the F-PACE 340 horsepower and 332 pound-foot of torque. It is a 8-speed automatic transmission with shift paddles mounted behind the steering wheel. The new F-PACE can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5.4 seconds, and its top speed is 155 miles per hour. The F-PACE is an all-wheel drive vehicle, by the way. As for fuel economy, it gets 18 miles per gallon in the city, 23 miles per gallon on the highway, and 20 miles per gallon combined. Gas mileage will also vary depending on which driving mode you're in, Eco, Sport Dynamic, or Winter. Gas mileage can also be further enhanced by enabling the intelligent stop and start feature, which will automatically shut off the engine when you come to a complete stop, such as red lights or when in traffic jams, and will instantly restart when you lift your foot off the brake. Now, of course, this feature can be turned on or off by the driver at any time. Up front, we have the black mesh grille specifically designed for the new F-PACE with the iconic 3D Jaguar badge right in the center. For enhanced visibility, there's the standard full LED headlights with adaptive lighting and adaptive auto beam assist. New full LED adaptive headlights minimizes power consumption with distinctive beam patterns. LED light is closer to true daylight, allowing the human eye to see objects more easily. Front bumper also features built-in parking assist to notify the driver whenever the vehicle is close to hitting any objects or wall, which is always a nice feature to have. Moving over to the side, there's the body color side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light, power adjustable feature, power folding, auto dimming, heated control with memory approach light, and lastly there's also the built-in blind spot monitor system on each side view mirror, F-PACE side fender with Jaguar lettering. This specific F-PACE model features the standard fit 19-inch wheels. Behind the wheels we have the advanced Jaguar braking system that includes emergency brake assist, electronic brake force distribution, dynamic stability control, and cornering brake control. And of course all 4 wheels are equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system. To the back, there's the middle LED brake light strip seen on the rear spoiler on top. Also very attractive. Here's a quick look over to the side. On both sides are the eye-catching LED tail lamps with LED brake light and LED turn signal light, which is really eye-catching. Very similar to the F-Type as you can see. Rear windshield wiper, parking assist and a rear view camera are also integrated into the rear. At the bottom there's the attractive rear diffuser that hugs the unique dual chrome exhaust tip. As for the gas tank, just make sure the cord is unlocked. To open, simply push in. And it is recommended to use premium unleaded gasoline.
Now let's see what we have inside the trunk. Very spacious as you can see. We have your core mats, hook on all 4 corners, additional hook on the side here. You can also pull this down, which will fold down the rear seat, giving you more storage space. And same goes on this side. Here's your spare tire and all your tools. Also have the trunk cover on top here. You can either close the tailgate manually or simply press this button. Here's a quick look to the top. The F-PACE does feature the tilt and slide panoramic moonroof. Looks really nice when open for an air open feeling. Now let's go ahead and check out what we have on the driver's side door. The color is called Espresso Latte with espresso stitch on the interior. Up here we have 4 power window control, window lock and child lock button at the bottom, side view mirror control on top, 3 memory settings for easy readjustment of the driver's seat, door lock and unlock button, Meridian surround speaker, side door compartment, Jaguar door shield, brake and gas pedals. Here's your hood release lever, power front seat control, I really like the interior color. Headrest is also adjustable by pressing that button. The lock feature does work on all 4 doors. Let's go ahead and raise this up. As you can see, Espresso Latte color looks really clean and luxury. Same style design as the front door. Power window control. Side door compartment on top and the bottom there. Again, I am 5'7", weighing about 150 pounds. This will give you a little better idea of how much leg space you will have. I feel completely fine back here. Complete view of the front for sitting in the back. 2 air vents for the rear. The rear seats are also heated. 2 USB input along with a 12-volt cord charge outlet. Back seat net storage compartment. Middle portion is slightly raised there. Two more cup holders. You can adjust the headrest of the middle by pressing this button on the side. Seat belt color looks really nice in contrast with the leather espresso color. The rear seat also has the built-in latch system if you need to hook down your baby seat. On top, on both sides, we have your lighting control. Handboard with a spot for you to hang your clothes. And here's a quick look to the back. Now the back seat also have the recliner function control here, in which you control on the side. It is powered, which is nice to have. Here we are back in the driver's seat. We have the 3-spoke leather wrap steering wheel, feels very nice and look very luxurious. Over here we have the different menu control, audio volume control, voice command option, and audio modes control. You can also use this to control the different digital display here. Now this one is has one function that's very similar to the Audi and other newer generation models. If you select the map setting here, you'll notice that the entire navigation system will display here on the digital dash, which look extremely nice. In addition to that, you can also have the display here on this side, which is a very nice feature there. And you can actually get it right back to the turn the map off and everything will go back to normal. Jaguar logo in the middle with the horn. Over here we have your cruise control and the heated steering wheel function. Gear shift paddle. Front and rear windshield washer control along with the windshield release washer. Power steering wheel control placement. On this side we have your left and right turn signal along your headlamps control, and press this button on the end to control the trip reset button there. Driver air vent. Tailgate power release button, and interior dimming lighting control here. Sun visor on top. With a small clip on the side for you to clip paper or credit card. Light with mirror. Move it over to the side for better sun coverage. Handboard on top. To the middle here again we have the beautiful navigation and audio system display, and it is fully touchscreen, and as you can see it is very sensitive. You can also slide it and have your custom setting here on the first page. I was wondering why the seat was so hot when I got in the car, but didn't realize that the seat control, somebody got the temperature way on the hot mode, so put it down to the blue for the cold, especially in this weather. It is currently 111 degrees Fahrenheit over here where I'm at. That is burning. Now again, let's go ahead and show you a quick view of everything here. Here's the radio view, Bluetooth view, and here's the navigation view. Again, looks very nice, and compared to the base model, the screen is a lot bigger. Has a light control CD slot. On both sides you have this little screen here to display the temperature. Climate control here. Engine start and stop button. Audio volume control. Simply press down to turn on or off. Here we have an anti-slippery spot for you to put your phone. And our gearbox. To control this, push your foot down the brake. Move it over to R to put the car into reverse. Side view mirror will automatically tilt down, giving you a better view of the rear, along with the rear view camera with guided lines which move according to the movement of the steering wheel. Very nice safety feature. In order to put over to sport mode, you have to push down, then move over. After that, you can simply use the gear shift paddle to change gears. Here's the automatic start and stop control. Different driving modes control from dynamic to normal, eco, and snow rain mode. Traction control. Power parking brake. 2 cup holders. And let's see what we have inside the middle armrest compartment. Here we have a 12-volt car charging outlet, SIM card slot, HDMI slot, and 2 USB inputs. Glove box compartment, pen holder right there. Also have the Jaguar lettering right here. Here's a complete view of the dash. On top we have the rearview mirror with the built-in garage door opener here. You can input the codes and use these 3 buttons to open and close your garage doors. On both sides here we have the emergency connection. Press that in case of emergency and you'll be automatically transferred. Touch sensitive flight control. Spot for you to put your glasses. And here's our panoramic moonroof control. So go ahead and remove the sunshade cover. Looks very nice because you see it extend way to the back. And there it is with the tilt function on. And here it is fully open. Only the front portion open, of course. And it is tinted, that way it will avoid sun coming in, making the car too hot, especially in this kind of temperature where I'm at.